So I have the Roomba going, and there's dust on the floor. And it goes right over it and doesn't even pick it up. It doesn't even pick the dust up. It just knocks it around. It doesn't pick up the dust like it should. So when it gets in the corners, it doesn't look like it's touching the ground with the duster. It looks like it's hovering over the floor, but it doesn't seem like it's touching the floor because it goes over dust and it doesn't clean it. It doesn't pick it up. It doesn't pick it up. Watch this. Like it never went over it. So I'm not happy with it. It didn't pick up the dust like I thought it would. I don't know if I'm going to keep it, if I'm going to send it back. It's definitely not picking up. It's definitely not picking up. It's going right over it, but not picking up. See that? Goes right over it, but doesn't pick it up. Not good. I wouldn't buy it. Save your money. I would not buy it. You'll be quicker, cheaper, just to get a broom, a dust mop, and do it yourself. You'd be done with it rather than this going for 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and can't even pick this dirt up. Alexa, stop Zumba. Alexa, pause Zumba. Alexa, pause Roomba. I do it myself.
So the first thing you want to do is you want to clear your space and make sure that everything's picked up before you start to run the machine. This is a 600 series. The main thing that I want to tell you is that once you put it on a charger, the lights will go off after 60 seconds, the charging light, so that's pretty cool. It will go over pretty large humps. It ran over my whole foot and kept going. If it gets stuck, it will turn around. It goes up under my bed and everything pretty well. The one thing that it did do, it's supposed to keep a 90-minute charge, and it's supposed to run the whole time, and then after it's done, you empty it. However, it did stop under my bed, and it started talking, telling me to call a 1-800 number, and that was because it was already full. So it gave like a little signal. Also, before the little machine, when I was connecting it to my Alexa, which it does have that capability, when I was connecting it to my Alexa, it kind of started going by itself somehow. I don't know if I pressed the button. And then these cords were down, and it pretty much sucked up the cords, and it stopped and gave me an alert that it needed to be cleaned, like the bristles need to be cleaned. It's a pretty smart machine. I'm really happy to have it. I got it for Prime Day. You can see the floors, like it's hitting the spot, you know. I love it. Like I said, clear your space. My sister, she had hers forever, and when I got mine,
That's a lot of stuff. How did it just go past that? Pass it. Skip that. Oh, we got that little piece. All that stuff stuck on there. I got a bunch of junk here. Let's see if it gets this stuff. See what it does. I got kids, so excuse my house.